Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
How you doing, Tony with RVFix? We've got a ladder here that's got a couple of loose legs. We're going to take a look at how we can fix that. All right, so we got our stanchions here, and they've actually got a nut that's kind of wedged inside the tubes here, and the screws just aren't very tight inside that. So what we're going to do is take these off. We don't have to even remove the whole ladder to do it. We can show you how to tighten those up, put it back on, and your ladder will be in great shape. So we're going to go ahead and just start by removing this screw here. Okay, and you can see right there that already is really loose. And I'm going to have to switch screw tips because those are going to be the square drives. Square drive number 2. Okay. Okay, so now if I take that off, you can see there's a screw there and it's loose. All I got to do is tighten that, and then we can put it back on and it'll be just fine. So just tighten that. Now that's nice and snug. It's not wobbling anymore, right? Be careful when you take that off. This is going to come out. So right there is what that nut looks like. It's just a nut on a pinch washer, and it wedges inside the stanchion when you put it on there. So that our screw goes in there, grabs that nut, and pulls it in nice and tight. So to make sure you don't lose that part of it, get all of our screws. Yeah, I like to get all the screws started. Okay. And then we had our other screw for the front here. Look at that, it's not loose and wobbly anymore. Perfect. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.